Afternoon, all of you. How are you all? Okay. Sit straight, all of you. Good children.
Why do we always do writing?
Did I say anything about writing?
Yes.
When did I say? I just said.
I mean,
Wait.
but why do we always do writing?
If you complete the lesson, you have to write the notes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
You do the notes on your own, then I will not give you writing work, beta. All right. Khatija, are you there? Amna, Khatija, switch on to your videos. Mariam, Mohammed, Ismail, are you there? Yes. Tawheed. Okay, very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, now we have an English session, right? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So please bring your English books. I will share the screen and I will just discuss something with you all. Okay? Please bring your English textbooks, all of you, beta.
Ma'am, my belly is paining.
What, beta?
My stomach is paining.
Who is that? Stomach is paining.
And look. Amna.
Good girl, Mifra. Yes, Amna. What happened, beta? Stomach is paining. Did you take that?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
do you know I have a problem in my stomach? Do you know what is lymph nodes?
What?
Lymph nodes?
Yes. Okay.
I have that.
Okay, beta. Who has done the first page of the poem, Off We Go to Mexico? Who has revised it? Yes, Kanika? You say
I helped yesterday and I couldn't revise it.
what, beta?
I wasn't well yesterday, so I couldn't revise
You
it.
were not well. Okay. Who else has joined now? Asia, Asma, Rufaida. Please switch on to your videos, all of you. Good morning,
Good
beta.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, beta. How are you?
Ma'am, I am also fine.
I'm fine, Asya and Rufaida. Very good. Okay. Anybody has learned the poem? The first page? Yes, Asya. You know the poem? Can you say a few lines, beta? Yes, Asya. Can you try to say a few lines, beta? Unmute yourself and try, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, you say I repeat.
Acha, you want to repeat after me? Asya, you want to repeat after me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of them, let everybody repeat. All of you repeat after me, okay? Yes? Chalo, let's start. Ready? Off we go to
Yes.
Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go.
Off we go to Mexico.
Mexico.
We swim in Turquoise water
We swim in
Swim in water.
and build castles on the beach.
and build castles on the beach.
We climb up rocks
We climb
Climb up rope.
or watch from dogs to see the grey whales breach. To see the grey whales breach. All right. Now only one by one. I will take one student at a time. Asya, are you there, beta? Others mute yourself. Asya, others mute yourself. Asya, start with me. Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
Beta, all of you others, please mute yourself. Let only one child say after me. Okay? Let me see. Okay. All right. Only others repeat after me. Others, please mute yourselves, beta. Okay?
Paper. Good morning, ma'am.
Asma, are you there? Asma, beta? Asma? Somebody's phone is ringing. Please mute yourselves, please. Okay, Asya, we will start now. Others, Asma, look at Asma, so cute. Okay, others mute yourself. Asya, start. Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
We swim in turquoise water
We swim in turquoise water
and build castles on the beach.
and big
Castles
castles
on the beach.
on the beach.
We climb up rocks
We climb a frog
or watch from dogs.
and conquer the dog.
Or watch from dogs. Watch beta. Or watch from dogs.
A
Watch.
watch for
From
the
dogs.
dog
Okay. To see the grey whales. To see
to see
the grey whales
the great well
breach.
beach.
Breach. Okay. Next.
Can I tell now?
Yes. Now Mifra's turn. Others will mute. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Mifra, you
ma'am.
start. You want to say alone or you repeating after me? Do you know the poem, beta?
share the screen and read?
Okay, start. Off we go to Mexico.
I want to read by my own.
Okay, start.
Off we go to Mexico. Off we go. Off we go. Off we go to Mexico. We swim in turquoise water and build sand
Castles
and build castles on the beach. We climb up the rocks
or watch from.
or watch from the docks to see the grey whales beach.
Okay, next now is Ayat. Ayat, are you there?
Ma'am, can I tell?
I'll give everybody a chance. Mute yourselves. I'll give everybody a chance. Chalo, Ayat, can you start with you want to read or shall I repeat? Will you repeat after me? Ayat,
You read after I read.
I read, then you will read. Okay, off we go to Mexico.
We go to
Only Ayat, others keep quiet. Off we go, off we go.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
We swim in turquoise water
We swim in something water
and build castles
and build castles
on the beach.
on the beach.
We climb up rocks
We climb the rocks
or watch from dogs
or watch
from dogs
from
to see the great
to see the great
Wales bridge.
bridge.
Kabir, are you there, beta? Start with me, beta.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Rufaida, I said, beta, I will give a chance one by one to everybody, beta. Okay? Don't worry.
Kabir done with.
Okay, after Kabir, your turn. Okay? Good girl. Start, Kabir. Off we go to Mexico.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Who is that? Good afternoon.
Mariam.
Mariam Gola, how are you? All
I'm
right.
fine.
Beta, now one by one, beta, one by one, all are reading the poem. So mute yourself. I'll give you a chance. Okay, one by one. Okay, Kabir, you said something. I cannot hear, beta. I could not hear you. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I will try my best. Okay.
What?
I will try my best.
Okay, good boy. Come on, start. Off we go to
Off we
Mexico.
go. Off we go. Off we go. Off we go to Mexico. We
swim in turquoise water.
turquoise water and build castles on the beach.
Very good. We climb
Climb
up.
up. We climb up rocks or
Watch.
what for
From beta. From
what from
dogs.
dogs
Okay.
to see the gray whales
Breach.
breach.
Very good boy. Next is Rufaida. Good boy. Rufaida, your turn.
Ma'am, can you tell with me?
Yes, beta. I will say you repeat. Okay.
Okay.
Off we go to Mexico.
Go to Mexico.
Off we go.
Off
Off we go. Off we go to Mexico.
Mexico.
We swim in turquoise water
We swim in turquoise water.
and build
We
castles on the beach.
I build
Build castles
in
on the
the beach.
beach. We
On
climb
the
up
beach.
rocks
We climb up rocks
or watch from dogs
or watch from rocks
to see the grey whales breach. To see the
to see the
grey whales
gray whales
breach.
beach.
Okay, next, Mariam Ismail, are you there, beta?
Yes.
Repeat after me. Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
We swim in turquoise water
We swim in turquoise water
and build castles on the beach.
and build castle on the beach.
We climb up rocks
We climb a frog
or watch from dogs
or watch from dogs
to see the grey
to see the gray
whales breach.
whales
Okay, who is left now? Mariam Gola? Yes? Start. Can you read your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Who's talking?
Can you mute everyone?
1 minute. Who's talking?
Ma'am, mute everyone. He is talking.
What is he saying?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Yasir. How are you?
How are you, ma'am?
Okay. Asma, can you sit down in your place, Asma?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, beta. Asma, sit down in your place. Now I'm going to take your name in few minutes. Tawheed, what are you saying, beta? Beta, after Mariam Gola, you say, okay, Tawheed?
Yes.
Good
Ma'am,
boy.
can I
Very
say
good.
yes?
Yes, I'm sharing the screen. You start. Yasir, I'll give you a chance also, beta. Now I'm muting everybody. Mariam Gola, unmute and start, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Start, bacha.
Off we go to Mexico. Off we go. Off we go to Mexico.
Swim in
We swim in Tokyo's water.
and build,
We make sand
and build castles.
and build castles on the beach. We climb rocks.
We climb up rocks or watch from
or forge
dogs
from door
to see the grey
of the whales
breach.
breach.
Okay, Tawheed, your turn. Good girl. Tawheed, your turn now. Good girl. Very good. Tawheed, are you going to say, read or shall I say and you will repeat, Tawheed? Tawheed, Tawheed, are you there, beta? Unmute yourself, beta.
Yes.
Beta, you will repeat after me.
Yes.
Okay, off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go. Off we go.
Off we go to Mexico.
We go to Mexico.
We swim in turquoise water.
Huh?
We swim in
In the water.
turquoise water
Use the water.
and build castles
The castles
on the beach.
on the beach.
We climb up rocks
We climb
or watch from docks
the watch from top
to see the grey whales. To see the grey whales.
to see the grains where
Whales
tail
breach.
wings.
Breach. Okay, Asma, your turn, Asma. Are you going to read on your own, Asma? Shall I share the screen, beta?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, beta. Asma, can you reply? What are you doing, beta? Asma?
Ma'am, I'm reading.
What?
I'm reading.
You will read it.
Yeah.
Start reading, come on.
Up we go. Can I drink water?
Yes.
We swim in the turquoise water. Can I drink water? Off we go.
Beta, please mute yourself, beta. If you all say together, how are we going to concentrate, beta? Asma, Mariam Gola, mute yourself. Mariam, please mute yourself. Asma, say a bit loudly. We cannot hear you, beta. Unmute yourself, Asma.
We swim in the turquoise water and
And build.
we build
We is not there. And build castles.
castles on the beach. We
Climb up rocks.
climbed across or back
Or watch from dogs.
or watch from dogs
Very good.
to see the gray
Gray. Whale.
Whales
Breach.
breach.
Okay, Amna, your turn. Amna. Amna, can you say beta? Are you okay?
Yes.
Start.
Off we go to Mexico.
We swim on.
We swim
In-
in Turkish blue
Turquoise water.
Turkish blue water
And build
and build
castles on the
castle on the beach. We climb
up
up
rocks.
rock or watch of ducks.
From docks. To see the grey whales.
To see the grey whale
Breach. Very good. Khatija, your turn, beta.
Okay.
beach.
Off we go to Mexico. We swim in turquoise
Wait 1 minute,
water
Khatija. I'm
and
muting everybody, beta. Unmute and start, Khatija, beta. Khatija, unmute, beta.
Off we go to Mexico. We swim in turquoise water and build castles on the beach. We climb at rocks or watch on ducks to see the grey whales breach.
Can you read the below lines also? We hop aboard.
We hop aboard the canyon train across
wash?
up mountains
Yes.
steep through tunnels deep. We dare not look below.
Very good. Okay. Now come, all of you got a chance. Ahmad, beta, you are left.
Yes.
Ahmad and Yasir. Yes, Ahmad and Yasir, you all both say together with me, okay? Yasir, are you there, beta? Yasir? Yasir, are you there, beta? Unmute yourself, Yasir. Yasir, unmute yourself, bacha. Ahmad, are you ready? Unmute yourself, Ahmad. Ahmad, start. Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go.
Off we go.
Off we go to Mexico.
Off we go to Mexico.
We swim in turquoise water
We swim in turquoise water
and build castles on the beach.
and build castles on the beach.
We climb up rocks
We climb on rocks
or watch from dogs
or watch from dogs.
to see the grey whales. To see the grey whales.
Grey whales.
Breathe.
Grey whales.
Breathe. Very good. Okay. Now please bring your English books, English notebooks, all of you. Quickly. Come on. Last 10 minutes we have to write.
Off we go to Mexico. Off we
Okay,
go to
I'm
Mexico.
sharing the screen. Beta, mute yourselves, bacha, quickly. Okay, all of you tell me, do you all know when to put a full stop?
After sentence.
When the sentence is
After the
completed?
sentence.
When the sentence is completed?
Ma'am, that's what I said before.
Yes, when you complete the sentence, what do you put?
Full stop.
Okay, and always begin the sentence with a
Capital letter. Capital letter.
excellent, Asya. Very good, Asya and Mariam. Okay, so whenever you start a sentence, the first alphabet will be a capital letter. Yes, and end it with a full stop. Yes, and always the letter I will be capital. Letter I will be capital letter. Yes, and if you are writing names of person, places, so you will use a capital letter. Yes,
Ma'am, a capital letter.
very good. Yes, Asya.
Noun.
Yes, beta.
Noun.
Proper noun, not noun. Proper nouns.
Can I tell you proper nouns? I know, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
also know.
Now, can I start writing? Okay, mute yourselves, all of you.
This is my fun part.
Mute yourselves first, beta. Can you see the screen, beta?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
1 minute. I haven't shared it. I'm sharing it 1 minute. Give me a moment, okay?
Okay.
What is today's date? Who knows the date?
3.
3. Wow, very good.
2022.
Okay, tell me how to put the date. I have forgotten. You all help me how to put the date now. All of you.
Ma'am, which page number?
No page number. I'm giving you grammar. There's no page number. Okay, copy what I'm giving.
Ma'am,
03/03, right? 2022. Yes?
2022.
Yes. Rewrite the sentences using.
Ma'am, it's 2022, not 2022.
I know, Asma. I know that, beta.
Ma'am, you said 222.
Say 2022, beta. That is the way we write it. Okay?
Ma'am, it's 2022.
Beta, I know it, beta. Can anybody tell me the answer now?
be capital, the first letter.
Which alphabet will be capital?
S.
All right. S A
And
and
there will be
Sam.
a full stop at the end.
Okay, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you know I take my eraser and in my hall, my brother was laying on the couch and I sneakily get in and I put it and come back
Okay,
under the
Pita.
couch.
Okay.
He didn't realize that I was there.
Okay, okay. Next one. Who can give me the answer of this?
The J in John would be capital.
Hey,
and there will be
Khatija, not you always. Let others get a chance, beta, please. Let everybody try.
J.
J will be capital. Very good. J, O, H, and John. And what else, beta, Mariam? Now what to put? Yes, Mariam Ismail, what to put now? Full stop?
Yes.
Okay. Asiya, tell me the answer.
I capital, ma'am.
Then next.
Full stop.
Very good, girl. Very good. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good girl. All right. Ahmad, tell me what is the answer, Ahmad? Ahmad, tell me the answer.
Ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
only
please
Ahmad.
hold.
Others keep quiet. Let Ahmad try, beta. Ahmad Noor, tell me what will come now.
I capital.
What?
I capital.
No, car cannot be capital. What is the first alphabet here? Yes, Ahmad. The, yes, C will be capital. The car is big. Now what should I put, Ahmad? Now in the end? Very good. What is up? What should I do? Share the screen.
Scroll up.
Scroll up.
Q I-N-G.
Please, Mariam Farooq, stop annotating.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
I am only right. Johnsni. I
You're on
only
the
write
second
two
sentence. John.
parts. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I only write first sentence and second sentence.
Good boy. Complete fast.
I'm not right. Ma'am, do we have to write after the date R-E-W?
Rewrite the sentence. Yes. That is the question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please don't scroll down, ma'am.
Beta, one more sentence I need to write.
Ma'am, but I'm writing something. Ma'am, please, 1 minute. Ma'am, can you go up? Ma'am, I can't write so fast, like how you do. Ma'am, not writing, she's typing. Ma'am, this Google Classroom?
Yes.
मैं Google Classroom में आएगा। मैं अभी नहीं, मैं रात को लिखूंगा, बोलो। हाँ?
Okay, I'm writing the last sentence because I have only last 3 minutes now.
What? Ma'am, can you do it until and this one?
No, you can copy it from Google
Ma'am,
Classroom if it is left out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you write one word after. Ma'am, in this sentence there is no full stop. And
Where?
And there is no capital letter.
Yes, you have to rewrite using the capital letter and the full stop.
Ma'am, do I have to write this in a notebook?
Yes, beta. What are you doing then from long time? Mariam, Farooq,
Yes.
what are you doing, beta? Everybody is writing. They're asking me, no, to scroll up, down. Everybody is writing, beta. Yes, Kabir, good boy. Good boy, Kabir.
Stop. Oh, stop. Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Wow, very good. Last 2 minutes. Quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Emma, beta.
fifth.
What?
Show me the number. Go down. Go down. Ma'am, go up. No, ma'am, go up. Ma'am, go up.
Whatever now, if you all have not completed, please copy from Google Classroom. Don't worry, I'm going to share this on Google Classroom.
Share it now, ma'am. Share it now.
I will share it. As soon as I end the session, I will share it. I usually immediately share whatever I teach you all, beta.
Ma'am, I write it. And this also pay.
All right. So please, if you all have not completed, copy it from Google Classroom. Okay. And you should know that when you start a sentence, use a capital letter, end it with a full stop. I is always written in a capital letter and proper nouns are written in capital letters. Yes?
Show you how much I wrote.
Yes, show me quickly, all of you. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, can I leave? I done.
Yes, all of you will end the session. Very good, children. Very good. If you all have left something, copy it from Google Classroom. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow, beta. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye, beta. Bye. Bye, bacha. Bye.